Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a game pass on Roblox. First, go to roblox.com and log into your account. Once you're in, click on the create button at the top of the page. Next, go to your creations and select the experience where you want to add your game pass. In my case, I'm choosing a test game here. On the left-hand menu, go to passes or other monetization. Scroll down and click on create a pass. Here, you can customize it, upload a photo, add a name, and give it a description. After adding the details, click create pass. Once it's created, you can click on your pass to see its sales and settings. Here, you can set the price, for example, 10 Robux, and enable regional pricing if you want it to automatically adjust for different regions. Finally, click Save Changes to publish your Game Pass, and that's it. Your Roblox Game Pass is now live. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our next video for more Roblox tips.